everyone. So in previous video, as I mentioned that in next video I would SEO dashboard. Let's build a standout SEO dashboard in Power BI, right? So we have almost built SEO dashboard, and here we are going to work upon this template. We will apply the theme and we will apply the slicers, and again I am saying that the 2 or 3 visuals are enough, okay, for SEO dashboard. So we already have 2 visuals, and if we want to add one more, we can add it one more, okay. And how you want to arrange it depends on you, that how you want to arrange the visuals, or where you want to keep which visuals, it depends on you. So that would be the runtime decisioning, okay. So as I did real SEO dashboard step by step, and using a simple sales data and real executive logic, okay. So there's sales data which we have already applied, and I want to say that I'm using the same data set like sales, product and data set which we have used to discuss about the SEO dashboard concepts, okay. And let's finalize SEO dashboards. Now I want to say that good and dashboards always start with good modeling. So you might have remember that this modeling we did modeling for this, okay. This is the modeling, like product ID is connected to product ID, and here order date is connected to date, okay. So AI, I would say that if I talk about the AI cannot fix the broken relationships, okay. Structure always comes first, okay. Structure always comes first. Always remember this, structure always comes first. And executive dashboards, like while before this video I have discussed multiple times that if you put in multiple measures, okay, if you create the multiple measures, okay, like I have created only 4 measures, okay. If I want to use all of them, I can use, but if you create multiple measures, and if you want to show here, so they need reliable outcomes, okay. They need reliable outcomes, okay. And also theme, like if I talk about the themes are not decorations, okay. They just guide attentions and reduce cognitive load, okay. Always remember this. Now that before building the dashboard, you should be mentally prepared that how you want to see the dashboard, okay. So you should have the visualization that how you want to see the dashboard, like on top of the page you want to put the template name, then you want to put the KPI cards, then you want to put the middle of the page you want to put some visuals, okay, trend visuals, line visuals, or any kind as per your data you want to put them, and then where you want to put the slices and all that. So that can be decided. You need to visualize layouts. Layouts controls how executive consume information, okay. This dashboard is designed, this dashboard we are designing to scan in under 10 seconds, okay. Remember we discussed about 10 seconds rules, okay. So this dashboard should look and should give the insights, like if I see it should give the insights, okay, that what is happening. So here also everybody can see, okay, total sales amount, total profit amount, total profit margin is this, and how the growth is happening, and here also reason wise we are showing. So I think it gives the insights within 10 seconds, right? Now as you could see this, like we have already built the template, okay. Here 10 line chart we are showing. So as I mentioned in previous videos that here we are showing, we have selected month name. If you want to select the month, date or quarter, you can select it as per your data set and how you want to show the insights. So based on that you can select the columns, okay. It is not required what I have selected, you have to select that. Now executives or CEOs, they care about they care more about directionals than detail, okay. Always remember this. And this trend tell them where things are improving or declining. This is very much important that your data should speak. Now this chart, if I talk about this chart, bar chart, okay. So this chart tells what I have added, total profit amount, and by reason, right? So this chart tells leadership where attention is required. Always remember this, where attention is required. The lowest performing reason is not a problem, okay. It's a priority. Lowest performing reason is not a problem. It's a priority to work upon this, okay. It's a priority to work upon this. So CEO, they have to work upon Europe and Asia, because North America is performing well, but Asia and Europe is not performing that much well. So they see the data and they will start acting on this. Now I say that two visuals are enough, but if you want to add one more visual, see, we can add it as per the as per your requirement. You have to add it. Okay, do not add multiple visuals. Okay, do not add multiple visuals, but if it is required, if you think that this would be required, you can add it. Like if I say that here I add one more visual, like if I say table visual, again I am saying that it is optional, but if you want to add, we can add it. If I select the product ID, and I can select total profit amount by product, right? So if I say this, okay, we can do. So now here you could see this total profit by product we are showing. So product ID and total profit amount also we are showing here. So this is the additional one, optional one. You can add it or you can leave it, no problem. It's a optional detail for leadership discussions, okay, and not for detailed analysis. Now I want to add one slicer only. So one slicer I want to add here. So I can say, let's add, we can add the slicer here as well, no problem, here also, or we can add last refresh date or bookmarks, okay, as per your how you want to visualize the dashboards and all that. Okay, so we're going to add this here. Okay, and I'll select what should I select from here, like I would select year only, right? I can do the formatting for this. So this font would be a standard one, bold and white, right? And values, standard one, bold and white, so it is reflecting. Slicer, color, check this. Okay, here it is reflecting, and we can do the formatting here, like we can show the slicer header. Okay, so it is reflecting, values and all of them are reflecting, right? So this is done. We have added slicer, we have added this we can add it here also, no problem, but how you do you visualize and where do you add, so it depends on you. Now if I talk about AI here, so AI can explain why profit dropped in a region, like here dropped in a region, but a Power BI shows where leaders must act. Okay, always remember that AI can explain why profit dropped in a region, but Power BI shows where leaders must act. Okay, a structure always works first and intelligence second time. A structure is very much important, and a structure is very much very much important, I would say that. Now I want to add theme here. So I had designed one theme, let's add it and let's see that how does it work. So I'm going to import that theme. Theme, I'm going to import this. Now this is applied here. Okay, let's click on OK, got it, and let's work upon this. Like this is not reflecting here also, on the texts are not reflecting, so we can work upon this, okay, little bit. So let me click on this font. We have to change our callout values. Value color should be white. Okay, then label color should be white. Okay, now if I select this slicer, so slicer values are reflecting. Okay, see your dashboard, it is reflecting here, grid lines is reflecting, so we have to remove the grid lines. Okay, not required, done. So the proper insights and proper logic to SEO, and this is the final template. This is the final template. Great dashboards are not about Power BI features, okay, they are about business thinking. Okay, this is how executive actually use data and they act. Okay, so that's about it, and thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in next video with new topics.